Hi, I'm Mark King, investment editor at Columbia Threadneedle Investments, and here's what's in my column. Well, it's time for our monthly European roundup, and January saw another month of strong gains for European shares, but this has been somewhat overshadowed by the significant global correction we saw at the start of February. Markets around the continent enjoyed a solid start to the year. They continued their excellent 2017 performance. The pan-European Stoxx index gained 1.5% over the course of January, ending the month at 395 points, according to Bloomberg data. But the worldwide sell-off that was triggered by that slump in Wall Street at the start of this month has seen share prices on this side of the Atlantic fall sharply. By the end of trading on the 6th of February, the Stoxx was at 375 points. That's down by more than 5% on its January close. This month's downturn appears to have been sparked by fears among investors that the US Federal Reserve was likely to raise interest rates more quickly than previously expected. And that's largely in response to improving American employment data, as well as concerns that new US tax policies could lead to higher levels of inflation. On Monday the 5th of February, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gave up 4.6% of its value. That's its largest one-day fall in percentage terms since 2011. The losses were mirrored on Asian markets and led to falls across Europe. But many analysts believe that these events represent an overdue correction in stock values rather than a more fundamental problem with the global economy. Europe's generally strong performance in January came on the back of new Eurozone economic data, which showed that growth in the single currency area has hit a 10-year high. Meanwhile, despite European Central Bank President Mario Draghi suggesting that there was little chance that interest rates in the Eurozone would increase in 2018, the markets continue to expect that the ECB's quantitative easing programme will soon start to be scaled back. And as a result, the euro gained more than 3% against the dollar over the course of the month. So for more on Europe's stock markets, check out my column, and I'll see you next time.